Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to clear cache on a laptop or how to clear junk file on a laptop. First, press Windows plus R key, then type prefetch, then click OK, then select all files and press delete. Then again press Windows plus R key, type temp, click OK, then select all files and delete. Then again press Windows plus R key, type percentage temp percentage, click OK, select all and press delete. Then after that go to CTRL plus Alt plus del, then go to task manager, then app history and click delete usage add history. This will clear all your cache on your laptop. Thank you.